Okay, we have been waiting months for this one.
Yep.
A while back, Ghost had announced there was a new YooHoo protein shake coming out. I'm a huge fan of YooHoo. I've been waiting a long time for this.
I say it's been a really long time, but I used to drink YooHoo all the time. Like it's really good.
Now, have you tried any of these Ghost protein shakes?
Not these, but with this specific Ghost, it's like that skim milk based protein. So if you've ever had like Nuri's or the Prime proteins, it's that very smooth, not so much heavy on the whey tasting side, but very smooth, like clean protein.
And I think instead of actually being a protein, they're calling these like ultra skim milk milkshakes. So yeah, I love YooHoo. The amount of sugar in them kind of turned me off. But I believe this is going to be 2 sugars. So.
2 sugars and then 25 grams of protein, so only 120 calories. So yeah, 25 grams of protein, only a half gram of fat, and actually only 3 grams of carbs, so 2 grams of sugar. So really like macro friendly, whether you're low carbon or just need something easy to drink. Like 25 grams of pure protein right now, that's fantastic.
Now, do you remember what YooHoo tastes like?
No, it's been probably so long. I'm just picturing chocolate milk in my head, but
see, so YooHoo is always like a chocolate water.
Yeah.
It's like they call it a chocolate drink.
Yep.
So I'm curious to see. I'm anticipating maybe being better, being actual milk in here.
I would hope so.
You gotta get no nails.
I say times have changed. The flavors have improved over the years.
Yeah, this stuff is spot on. I'm gonna be their number one customer.
Got that little watery consistency, but.
And pretty fans of Ghost, I believe we've got an A&W root beer coming out here in the very, very near future.
Yeah, A&W Ghost root beer should be here very soon. I think I got it on pre-order, so we'll have it here shortly.
Okay.
All right, cheers. Wonderful.
That's good.
It's really good. Yeah. Yeah, real thin, real light.
And YooHoo has that, I don't even know how to describe it. It's almost like a chocolate maltiness or something. It's got that kind of unique YooHoo flavor to it.
Yep. No, these are great, and these are just an easy way, don't want to mix up some powder, you're on the go, need some easy protein, 25 grams per can, only 120 calories, it's very macro-friendly, tastes fantastic.
It's kind of part that unique YooHoo taste at the beginning and it kind of finishes like a normal. I kind of wish that YooHoo taste was a little stronger, but it is spot on YooHoo.
Yeah, it's chocolate milk a lot, more than anything else, but I mean, like, it's very good, not overly powerful, like chocolatey, kind of that perfect mixture balance.
So we don't carry YooHoo, but we'll link out to, I think, Walmart and some other guys.
Yeah,
we'll link out to where you guys can find them. And stay tuned. We probably will have the A&W Ghost here in the not too distant future.
Next week or two. It should be here very soon.
I guess we'll catch you on the next one.